Kia ora, off-grid native here, showing you tips and tricks for living off-grid. Today we're going to look at sharpening a knife with a ceramic plate. So we're just going to put this bench cloth down here. The ceramic plate needs to have this lip on it. Chuck that down, flip it up. Go on each side evenly. The coarser the bottom of the plate, the coarser grit of your sanding stone, the finer edge. So if there's no plate, you might be in a little hut somewhere or something, and you can also use a ceramic cup or anything like that. So just a basic hack on how to sharpen a knife with a ceramic plate. So if you like that, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment if it's good or if it's bad, all good, and yeah, subscribe because there's heaps of more tricks, tips for living off grid.